I believe we're looking at Shehbaz Sharif there on the right-hand side from Pakistan. Shehbaz Sharif was one of the visits that can't forget the late Ibrahim Raisi to have been made. He is the PM of Pakistan, and it was one of the highlights of towards the end of the Ibrahim Raisi's time when he made a visit, one of his last visits, which happened just a few weeks back. And we can see the impact that that had for him to make it down and obviously pay his respects here to the late president and the late foreign minister, along with the companions, which at this point I think the caskets are all there. As I mentioned before, 10 heads of state, 30 delegations, headed by ministers and speakers, are paying their respect. That includes foreign ministers. This probably is going to be ongoing for quite some time in terms of what we're looking at for these officials to make sure that they obviously do their part and also meet the high-ranking Iranian officials that you see there. Mr. Mukhtar is the one that I believe Shehbaz Sharif is speaking to, Prime Minister of Pakistan. We've had the Prime Minister of Armenia also come to Iran, speak. Many have spoken to Iran's leader also. In the interim, coming to Iran, they found it the time for Iran's leader had found the time to speak to them. Again, all of them important in terms of the foreign policy of Iran. As I mentioned, the Armenian Prime Minister, Nikol Pashinyan, earlier to have met with Iran's leader, including many others.